And y'all can see the scarring and the pimples. So just to show y'all, like, it's there, Bookies. It's there. Okay, my teeth, they're not perfect. Okay, they're a little uneven. You know, my hair, like, it needs to be dyed. Like, this blunt cut is not even, but who cares? My nails aren't perfect. They're not. It's okay. Okay. It's so important as people that we still feel beautiful even when we are at our worst, because when situations and circumstances happen that you may not be able to get your nails done or have your hair done or have the money to do it and have the funds and the time, it's important that you know how to uplift yourself without all of the extra stuff, right? So when you're creating your, not even creating, but sustaining and increasing your self-esteem, it's so important that you remind yourself, like, look, we are a human being. We are a human being. That is beautiful in itself. The way your heart beats is absolutely beyond beautiful. It's so intricate and it's so specific to life and what our body is needing it to do. Your heartbeat is everything. It's crazy. That is beautiful. As long as your heart is beating and you are breathing in life into your lungs and out of your mouth, that is beautiful. That is it, you guys. I was a biology pre-med major in college, and I went past college studies into, you know, anatomy and learning our body, biology, biochemistry, physics, chemistry, all of it. And I've always been so fascinated with the human body and the brain. Y'all, like, this right now is crazy. The fact that I said, okay, I want to do the wave and I can, it's so fast. It's faster than the blink of an eye. The way our mind sends a signal to the tip of your finger to go here, 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 and so on and so forth. It's just, that is beautiful. Beauty is not what society has made it to be. And I think that's the most important thing to remember. It really is. That makes me want to cry because it's hard. This took work. This took energy to beat my face like this. This took products, so money. And to get the money, we got to work. And to work, we got to sleep. And to sleep, we got to eat right, bathe. I got to take a shower. You know, I got to have the right remover. After this, I have to make sure my skin is right. So I got to do some good skincare, do a nice rice and honey mask, like a good cleanser, oil cleanse. I got a spot treat. I got a tone, serum, ice my face maybe, dermaplane, wax. That's a lot. That's a lot. That is a commitment. That takes discipline. So being pretty and being beautiful is not all of what society makes it to be. Prettiness, I feel like, or I believe, is a feeling. I feel like pretty is a feeling. You know, beauty, I understand. I understand, like, pretty, like, is something that we see. We say, oh, that's pretty. But, like, I feel pretty is a saying that I will reiterate even when I don't have my makeup, hair, and nails done. I will always feel pretty because I know who I am. I know what my spirit exudes, what my energy brings. That's pretty to me. Like, I'm always pretty. Always. I do not care if I look like a bat out of hell. I don't care. Or a bat out of a cave. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care where I'm coming from. Like, bitch, I'm always pretty. What? Are you kidding? Like, I don't care. Like, it's just like, I really don't care anymore. And I think all of us need to get to a point where we just don't care. Like, society is tricking you. Society is tricking people into thinking that if they don't have this certain body shape, this certain skin type. Like I have acne, like scars. I don't currently have acne. I would say I do get my pimples, my reoccurring like zits and what have you, but I don't have acne as bad as I used to. But I have those flaws still when I take my makeup off, and I still need to feel beautiful when I take my makeup off for the sake of my own self-esteem. Without self-esteem, you don't have the power you really need to go out into this world and be yourself and be authentically you, which is the goal. The goal of living is to live fully and authentically. If you're not doing that, what is the point? What's 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 the point? There's no limit of beauty. There's no, oh, you have to be this certain weight, this height. You have to be, your fingers have to be this long, nails this, hair this color. The limit does not exist. The limit does not exist. The limit does not exist. You are beautiful according to God above, made wonderfully in his image. If you're not religious, you're beautiful according to what universe has sprouted and blossomed unto us. You're beautiful because you are alive. You're beautiful because you are here. You're beautiful because you have thoughts. You're beautiful because you have a skeleton. You're beautiful because you have breath. You're beautiful because you have a heartbeat. Understand, beauty is not what society has made it to be. I think that's really important to remember. My last video, I titled it, I Hate Being Pretty. Because it's like, because I always feel pretty, I always feel like I always gotta have my hair done, nails done. Like, that's just like, I always feel like I want those things done because it almost validates that feeling. And I'm not sure if that's a good or a bad thing, or if it's something that motivates me to do my hair, makeup, and nails. And sometimes I just don't feel like it because I'm being lazy or procrastinating. I literally am just going to walk around my house looking like this for another 2 hours until I have to take it all off to start my day tomorrow. But looking like this and doing this face and nails, like I did everything myself. That's another thing. I feel like another very empowering thing for someone that loves doing their hair, nails, and makeup is learning how to do it yourself. It's gonna look bad sometimes. You're gonna have your learning curves, your bumps in the road. It's okay. That's why you do it in your own home. Get the flash, look left and right, look at your face up and down. Like, do you like your hair like this? Like, is the curl curling? Do you need a hairspray it next time? Like, practice. This is something that I'm 24. I started doing my makeup when I was 16 or 14, really. So a decade, I better learn something. You know what I'm saying? But it didn't always look good. It did not always look good, y'all. I'm telling you. Ooh, it didn't. My skin wasn't always like this. My confidence wasn't always at this level. And my hair definitely didn't always look like this. I can promise you that one. And I used to actually hate getting my nails done. I used to hate having nails. I don't know what it was. I just used to hate it. Of course, now I love it. But yeah, that's pretty much most of what I had to say. I just wanted to come back and I just wanted to come back to the preface of what this is, which was I hate being pretty. And I said that because it's almost like when you are beautiful to society's standards, it's like people think they can say the meanest things to you. Lord, I have heard people say about the meanest things because I feel like they know it's not going to ruin my day, because rarely do you ever see people go on someone who's not beautiful according to society standards and go and just trash them, and usually they try to uplift them because they're like, oh, look at you trying to be beautiful. Like, y'all are society. I can't fool with society like that, for real, because they're wishy-washy, and it's like, it's peculiar. The way y'all choose to encourage certain people is very peculiar, and there's gonna be only a certain community that I know I'm gonna build that will always uplift and encourage me, and I do have that, and I'm so grateful for that. But before that, it was like I would see people that, again, according to society standards, are lower on the scale. And usually people are like, y'all, don't be mean. Y'all, don't say anything mean, or really, oh girl, you look so gorgeous, good job for trying, good job, I love her confidence. Like, damn. Like, and then when you see a pretty girl post, they're like, oh, like, you need to take that makeup off. Like, is any women natural anymore? It's just sometimes I'm like, down to celebrities, my God. I mean, celebrities can't even do nothing right these days. It's a lot. And I really just want to keep speaking out to all of you girls and all of the gays, like, and all of the just straight men who might love to wear makeup as well, love to get their hair done, love to get your hair cut. Just know that you are beautiful because of all of the things that I listed before that I'm not going to go through again because I'm about to end this video. But I need you to know that your energy is everything. And if you speak positive, loving, harmonious words unto yourself, your energy will exude that, and you will be beautiful no matter what state you're in. Okay? Because y'all, I mean, we're human. I can't always look like this. I don't, and I can't. And I don't mind that. I don't want to always look like this. I really don't. I love my natural face. I love my natural nails. I love my hair natural. So, but it's okay to use these things to have fun, be creative, and create, and literally just create. It's art, So really, that's all I came to say. I'm not going to make this super long. I do have to go. I need to eat, y'all. I'm about to watch some TV and just chill, be pretty, and have a great time in my humble abode of my home. So with that being said, y'all, if you want to see this, get ready with me. If you want to see how I beat my face like this, yeah, y'all can see the scarring and the pimples. So just to show y'all, like, it's there, bookies. It's there. Okay, my teeth, they're not perfect. Okay, they're a little uneven. My hair, like, it needs to be dyed. Like, this blunt cut is not even, but who cares? My nails aren't perfect. They're not. It's okay. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look, go on my Instagram, as well as this nail look and the hair. So all the tutorials are on my Instagram. Hey, I had a song stuck in my head. It's Kendrick's new song. You fucking with niggas that thinking they cuter than you. Oh, yeah. Never talk to a guy that thinks he's cuter than you. Let's not do that. We're going to do unsolicited dating advice as well, but I got to go, you guys. Thank you for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again. Bye.